Hello everyone, it's Leah, and today, a highly anticipated video that I've been teasing pretty much the entire year. I'm shaving my head. I am quite annoyed right now because I just got back from a vacation and my hair was a complete nightmare the entire time that I was gone. And I was like, I can't wait to get home because I know the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this video and I'm gonna shave my head and it's gonna be amazing because my hair has been a freaking nightmare. I washed it the day I arrived. I used Olaplex, which always makes my hair feel good. It's been 5 days and look how good my hair looks. It was so annoying for 2 straight weeks, and then I come home and I use Olaplex once, and then 5 days later my hair still looks amazing and I'm spinning and I'm like, should I do this? Is this a good idea? But no, we're still gonna do it. My hair is just acting like an old lover. Changes temporarily and then goes back to its old ways. So we're not risking it. My hair is so dead. The amount of breakage that I have is insane. It is time for a reset. I miss my healthy curls. This dyeing journey this year has been so fun, but it is time for a fresh start. And if you're new here, my name is Leah, and this is the place for you if you like cosplay, sci-fi, horror, video games, anime, hair transformations, and so much more. If you are a geek of any kind, join in by subscribing and turning on the notifications. We would love to have you. And now let's get into shaving my head. I have met a lot of women or femme-presenting people that have shaved their head, and they all, without a doubt, say the same thing, that everybody should experience it once in their life, having just a fresh, bald head. And of course, what is leading me up to having the confidence to make this big change was completely destroying my hair, so I sort of have no choice. So besides the hair health reasons, I feel like there are a lot of deeper reasons as well. So if we're talking about gender as a social construct, or societal gender norms, typically if you are a female presenting person, you are expected to have long, luscious hair, and that is a societal norm that I would like to challenge. I don't want to feel so beholden to it, and that my identity is not tied to the society that I was born into and an arbitrary set of rules that I don't think should govern us. I don't think that long hair equals a beautiful person, and I'm excited to see how I can transform my own perception of my beauty with an extremely different haircut than I've ever had before. I think the shortest hair I've had was like just above the shoulders, kind of here-ish, and then I've always had really short layers. I enjoy pulling my hair back where I just will like leave the short pieces in front. So I'm not that scared of what I'm gonna look like with short hair, but I know anytime I've had a major change, it's always taken me a little while to get used to it. Even this, which is the closest to my natural color hair I've had all year, took me a second to get used to because it was so dark. This is my natural hair color, what I have going on the roots, but throughout the year I've had bright blues, I even had pink, green, and to have this like dark purple was really shocking. So I think it's gonna take a few days for me to really get used to it, but I'm very excited. So before we head into the bathroom, I'm actually going to head into the living room. I realized I hadn't taken any photos of me with this purple hair. I didn't have it for very long. 2.5 weeks at most. So I'm gonna set up a little photo shoot in the living room, immortalize the purple hair, and then I will meet you in the bathroom and I'll start talking through the shaved head plan. Here we are in the bathroom, not scared at all. I'm lying. Okay, so first what I want to show you is that even though I am new to shaving the whole head, I have had an undercut for years. So let me show you what the undercut is looking like now. And this is like a month, maybe 5 weeks of growth. So my hair grows fairly quickly, I would say. And normally when I shave the undercut, I shave it to a 1, which is the shortest you can go. So as a tester, I am going to shave the undercut with a 5 and see what that looks like. Start with a 5, kind of like a 6 though on my guy. Yeah, so it's a 6. It's a 6. It's a 6. It's gonna be great. So let me shave the undercut, give me an idea of what the length is gonna look like. It's hard to tell if anything's coming off. Oh, but I just say we freaking go for it, man. Do I like cut it first? No, I think I just do it. I think I just go for it. Oh man, I'm nervous. Why did my hair have to look so good today? All week, actually. Kelly has requested a mohawk. I was just texting her. I don't know if I can, but we'll try. Do like a mohawk. It won't be a straight mohawk, but anything for the friends. Look, it's not gonna be straight, but I'll try my best to do a mohawk. Okay, we've got my mohawk section. So do I just go for it? I guess so. Oh God, I'm nervous. It's just hair. It's just hair. And I think it's gonna take a while doing it this way. I'm feeling good vibes right now. I'm getting excited.
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls. Bury my best friend, I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good.
Kind of a mohawk. I did it for you, Kelly. Ooh, that's actually kind of cool haircut. I'm digging this so far. It's a mess, but... Wait, I have an idea. Okay, I did a long mohawk for her. Now let's do a short mohawk because trying to shave that hair while it's long is not easy. Oh my God. Wait, that's really fun. Okay, she better like this. Oh my God, that's so cool. I feel like I gotta make it thinner. That's wild. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, the clipper just died. There's definitely some cleaning up that needs to be done. I'm gonna do that, take a shower, get all this stuff off me, put on new makeup, and show you the finish. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh my gosh. I am thoroughly obsessed with this hair, or lack thereof. It's actually been a few days since I shaved it all off. I wanted to sit with it for a few days because I was anticipating that I would have some sort of like mental breakdown, like, oh my God, I made a huge mistake. Why did I do that? This looks crazy. But that didn't happen. I've liked it every day. Every time I look by a mirror, I'm like, wow, she's got a nice face. So all in all, it worked out in my favor. I really, really like it. It was much easier than I thought it was gonna be to just shave it all off. I've shown a few people, all have given me rave reviews, though I mean, I don't think anyone's gonna be like, oh my God, I hate your hair. Except my dad, he laughed at me. He said I looked funny. And I said I look like you. We have the same haircut, so right back at you. My plan is to just immediately grow it back out. I'm curious to see how quickly it will grow. I know that my hair grows pretty fast, as I showed you with my undercut in the back. So it will be interesting to see now that it's short all over how quickly it will grow back in. But if this is something you're thinking about doing, do it. Shave your head, especially if you're a woman or a femme presenting person. I feel like every woman who's ever shaved her head says the exact same thing, like you absolutely should do it, because why not? Especially if you have healthy hair, it grows back. I really felt it as a challenge for myself to do this. And I'm interested to see, you know, how I'm perceived out in the world, how not having hair is going to change the way that people act towards me. If it does at all, I hope it doesn't, but you know, it's always a possibility, so it'll be an interesting little social experiment. I had such a fun time dyeing my hair over the past 2-ish years, but having this reset, I really can't stop touching it. I really enjoy that. Having this reset is exactly what I needed. It doesn't mean I'm fully done dyeing my hair, but it means for a little while, I'm definitely not going to be dyeing my hair because I need to let it grow in. I'm excited to see how my curls are gonna look nice and healthy and fresh again, and all the styles in between while it's growing long again. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do any like short on the side, long on top looks. I kind of wanna just let it grow in the same length and go for more like mullet styles, shaggy mullet styles. That's sort of what I've had in the past, but never this short before. I keep using Frodo as a visual reference to people of like what I'm trying to grow my hair to look like, which I think is really funny. Frodo from the Lord of the Rings. I hope you understood that reference. But anyway, thank you for coming along for another video. This one was really special, and this marks the end of 2024 for me. I am taking 2 weeks off from posting full videos on YouTube just to relax at the end of the year and take a little stress off of myself. But coming into 2024, I have a ton of exciting videos planned, and I can't wait to share them with you. And don't forget, if you are a geek of any kind, you can join in by subscribing, turning on the notifications, commenting down below what you think of the new Jew. I think it's obvious at this point, but I'm a huge fan, so I hope that you're a fan as well. My name is Leah, and I'll see you soon. Peace out.
Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 난 겨울. Yeah, got cold blood. Yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear. 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 그 chill day.